As much as I love landing pages and opt-in pages, I do have to say they're the actually old and traditional way for you to actually interact with your visitors and also to acquire email addresses. Now, when it comes to a landing page, there is one focus. The focus is either to generate a lead or to close a sale. Now, when it comes to closing a sale, you definitely need a landing page. However, when you are trying to generate a lead, using an opt-in page and a landing page is actually an old way of generating leads for you and your business. There is a new little loophole that Facebook released that every single one of you that do not need a website, you do not need coding, you don't need expensive softwares, and you can actually start generating leads. Let it be email leads or it can be leads for you and your business that you can actually turn into profit. Now, what is this loophole? It's actually called Facebook lead ads. Facebook lead ads is actually designed for businesses like you, small to large, to start acquiring lead information without even going to a landing page. The best part, everything is actually done within Facebook. So your visitors and your prospects and your customers can actually input their information on your Facebook page without leaving your website. And the best part is that it eliminated that one extra step of loading your website, going through the copy, and entering their email address. And here's the best part. Because everything is natively integrated with Facebook, when the person is interested into submitting their information to you, all the information are pre-populated. So the user do not need to actually input their email address again, and all they have to do is simply click on your ad and click on the submit button, and instantly that lead information is actually sent to you. And Facebook lead ad is such an amazing form of advertising because it also lowers your ad costs and also lowers the cost that you pay per lead. Listen, I'm able to actually get 6 cents a lead. Seriously, 6 cents an email subscriber by using this method. And right now, if you actually, somewhere on my video, or if you go to my website, there's actually a link where I'm going to show you more information about Facebook lead ad and how you can actually create one and start using it to generate leads for your business. For anyone that is actually looking into building an email marketing business, listen, this is like a dream come true because you no longer need a landing page, you no longer need your opt-in page, and all you really need is to run a Facebook ad. This new form of advertising will change, and you want to be ahead of the game. You have to actually go watch the video on my website, or it should be anywhere on my social media, maybe in the video description right down below, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually use Facebook lead ad and without using a landing page to start building an email list. And I'm talking about it very fast too. Like seriously, you can actually start building an email list superbly fast. So again, if you're looking to actually wanting to generate more leads, if you want to actually build an email marketing business, do not overlook Facebook lead ad. You definitely want to give it a shot, and you definitely want to implement it for your business.